Last dyno was had 370 pounds of torque and right at about 360 some odd plus 368 horsepower. That was my last one. And then there was one, now, you know, that's to the wheel, right? So
yeah,
overall it's 400.
Yeah,
they claim.
Of course.
They claim, but
well, you're gonna lose 15% at least.
specific clutch for the turbo sound. It's too loud now. Came out to 368 horsepower, 386 pounds of torque. That's to the wheel. And then let's see here, it has the intercooler is APR. It has a Spollen 2-liter TSI boost pipe kit. I have the APR carbon fiber intake and the ECS carbon fiber engine cover, and I have the trying to read and look at the sleep time. So the oil catch can is an 034 Motorsport, and I did have the DSG also has the APR tune to it, so we did upgrade that.
So let me ask you this, because they didn't support my car. I was going to do APR.
They didn't support yours?
No, they said it was too old. And I tried to do it at our dealer, and they were like, nah, we don't have anything for your box code. So I was like, number one, stupid. Number two, are there stages? Or did they just sell you one tune?
No, there's stages.
Okay, so what stage did you get on this?
So I went stage, well, you're talking about the final stage that I did?
Yeah,
You'd be considered an APR stage 4.
Stage 4 DSG tune?
Yep.
Okay.
And then what it did, because we did that tune, that was my second tune that I had done to the DSG. Because before the MagnaFlow, which I has the MagnaFlow, not the lead track, limited slip on it, before it was slipping, and then we had to do this, the last tune, the stage 4 tune to it, and then the slip went away, and I'll show you what I mean by it. So, you talk about the torque steer on the car. It's kind of different. So, see how it's getting? Doesn't do this anymore.
Yeah, it doesn't wiggle.
Yeah, it doesn't whip around like it used to now before, because even and that's with these tires. Before I had the wave track, I mean, first gear was like this, second gear was like this, and third gear would be like this. Now it's you can feel it. I'm holding the steering wheel, I'm not letting it do it, but you can feel it wanting to boost around a little bit, but it doesn't boost near as much. But now it catches more.
Right.
But I still have the problem though that unfortunately the tires still slip. 56, 57 Chevy down there. See, look at that. So that was still second gear there, just still getting.
Yeah, you literally turned and it didn't slip. That's crazy.
Oh, you're talking about, well, from second to third it did.
No, I'm saying like it kept us going straight.
Yeah, it did. Yeah, actually it did. Yeah. So now on your car, I don't know if they sell the wave track for your car.
They do.
Because I know you get. You get better prices on your parts.
Which I don't know which ones you're talking about. But yeah. Oh, you got.
I got the dongles. I've got 3 of the APR dongles.
Wow.
They gave me 2. And then I bought one. I'm sorry, let me back up. I bought the first one when I went from stage 2 to stage 3.
So I've got the Eurodyne one that's supposed to do it, but it only does it from the Mark 7 platform. So
Really?
it do it,
Oh, so you got to do it by the dongle?
yeah.
I mean, out here?
I gotta lug my laptop around.
All right, so I'm at 93 octane right now, and I can go into, come on. Yes, I know that. No faults. I know there's no faults. There we go. I can go. I'm trying to read this up. I got three mods that I can go into. So I go 91, which is OEM, then all the way stock. I'm sorry, 91 OEM stock and 93 octane. I can have them put the 100 octane on here, but I don't because for one, it's hard as hell to find 100 octane. 2, it's expensive as hell.
$10 a gallon.
$10 a gallon, exactly. And I was going to do it one time just to see what it was like. And I know there's a big horsepower jump when you go 100 proof or whatever it is, 100 octane. But I was like, where am I going to find it? For one, I don't know who sells it. 2, is it worth that kind of money?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
How much would you sell this car for?
I don't know. That's actually a really good question. Probably not less than 13 to 14, depending. Because this is actually this is the stuff on the kit. This talks about the kit itself. Because I tried to put everything in here that had any relation to it whatsoever.
Right.
But yeah, I remember I had to buy all these separate, like I had to buy separate spark plugs, I had to buy separate elbows, everything. So this was $1,900 just there. So that's the bad part about the car is that, I mean, I know I'll never get what I put in it. That's the one thing I do know.
Yeah, that's unfortunate, but hey.
It is what it is. I knew that going in, though. Yeah, I mean, I knew this when I went off in this venture and said, hey, I want to do this because I'm doing it more as an exercise for me, just to have fun with, right?
Exactly.
And and I've had a lot of fun with this car.